So, tell me what you don't like about yourself.
I'm having skin issues.
Okay, like you have some blemishes or imperfections you'd like removed?
No, it's more about my complexion.
Really? Because your skin looks pretty clear to me. Is there anything on your like legs or your torso that I can't see? Or?
No, I think I'm too pale. Just too pale.
Sir, this is not a tanning salon. This is a cosmetic salon.
I want to be black!
Black is in skin color.
Yes! Exactly! Black! Pippin! A brother! The N-word!
That is offensive!
Well, of course it is now because I'm white. But once you make me black, I can call you that. I saw it on BET.
Unbelievable.
I read that once I'm black, I can call another black person the N-word.
Oh my God.
I Googled it. I want the same operation that Robert Downey Jr. had for his Oscar-worthy turn in Tropic Thunder.
First of all, that was a movie. And he used makeup for his part. I cannot make you black. That operation cannot be done.
You know what? I see what this is. I see exactly. You're a racist.
What?
Yes, you're racist. Oh, I get it. It's okay if a black man wants to be white, like Michael Jackson. But if a regular Joe the plumber wants to be black, oh no, can't do.
That is not what I am saying at all. You are just...
No. I wasn't born yesterday. I can read between the lines. Not only are you racist, you want to keep all the cool stuff you can do when you're black to yourself. So you're racist and worse, you're selfish. Whoa.
Be offensive.
No, I got an idea. Let's go down to the park. I'll take a test. I'll prove I can be black. I'll jump in a pickup game. I've been told I'm really good at bowling. Look at my vertical leap.
No.
I mean, come on. I've held illegal dog fights at my crib, yo. With pinchers. The mini ones. They're vicious and the best. Okay. I even interrupted my niece once when she was giving an acceptance speech.
Yeah.
In favor of No, you don't get it. Those elementary school kids. Oh. Wait, I have studied the great blacks in history and their catchphrases. I have a dream. Hammer time.
Sorry.
What you talking about, Willis?
Right here. Get him out.
I've got a big penis. I'll show you.
Oh, God, get him out. Right now.
No.
Please,
Seriously.
Get out.
Yes, we can.
Leave.
Oh, change.
Let's go.